Today we are going to extend this clean out that we installed. This will do. Now I just need some pipe. I'm sure I have some around here. Woohoo! Look at that. Now I don't even need a coupling. Yeet. This yellow wire here is the tracer wire for our water main line. It's supposed to be blue. The inspector said we could get away with doing yellow because that's all I had. I just have to put blue tape on it. Smells good. A lot of people skip this step. It's really not necessary for where we are, it's just for a clean out, but it makes it easier to glue it on. Deburrs the edge. A lot of people cry about not using a measuring tape. I think that's just kind of silly. I'm just getting the rough length. I'm going to cut it down later anyway, after we fill in the hole. So that looks about good. A lot of people also skip the priming step. I don't really know why, since it takes a second. I mainly use wet and dry just because it cures fast. You don't really need that for sewer lines, but that's all I have on the van. Guess I should have cleaned that out. Give it a little twist, clean it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's gonna be buried. Set this up.